Today, after watching the story, the snake and the ant, we are going to make a spelling. So I have already do word that they are going to write in their bond paper and spell it. For number 1 is poisonous. Number 2, creatures. Number 3, anthill. Number 4, scared. And last one is the outrage. Okay, let me check. Okay, who are the character on the short story that you will watch and read?
The characters of today's stories is the snakes and the ants.